everyone, I'm a reference and instruction librarian here at Lakeland Community College, and I will be introducing you to market research. Market research is important to the successful development of all businesses. Conducting market research will help you understand your industry as well as consumer behavior and competitors in the field. This short video will discuss the basics of market research. Here, we will review how to locate information about your target market and consumers using sources from the web and Lakeland Library. Websites from the Small Business Administration, the U.S. Census Bureau, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the U.S. Bureau of Economic Analysis, and American Fact Finder can help you uncover valuable information. Let's take a look at one of the websites now. The Small Business Administration, or SBA, can be located at www.sba.gov. Once you are on the page, navigate the business guide to find information on market research and competitive analysis. This site describes what to include in your market analysis, like general business statistics, consumer statistics, demographics, economic indicators, and additional details. The Bureau of Labor Statistics, or BLS, can be located at www.bls.gov. Once you are on the page, navigate to Subjects to find information on things like inflation and prices, employment information, and other wage and salary information arranged by demographics. This additional website can be quite useful to your research. Also visit www.census.gov for additional demographic information. The Lakeland Library also has many resources to help you with your market research, such as the Business Source Complete database and the Nexus Uni database. Additionally, we have constructed a business management research guide, which can be located at research.lakelandcc.edu/businessmanagement. To get to the databases, first log into My Lakeland. Then click on the Lakeland Library link in the Quick Launch navigation menu. Here on the library's homepage, you will see our sources that are important for our market research, such as Business Source Complete database and Nexus Uni. Use Business Source Complete to locate industry profiles and consumer behavior information. Simply enter your topic, like sporting goods, along with the keywords industry and profile, to obtain reports on the industry of your choice. For example, I can click into this particular sports equipment industry profile from the United States to get some useful statistics. This is a market line industry profile for sports equipment in the United States from July 2016. Scrolling down, I can see from the executive summary that I will find data about market value, the market value forecast, geography, and market rivalries, among other useful information. Now I will run a search to learn more about potential consumers. I will search for my topic, sporting goods, along with the keyword consumer. And I will find information on specific behaviors of sporting goods consumers. For example, this particular report discusses factors influencing the purchase behavior of sports shoes. If I'm interested in a particular article, I can click on the title and get into a page that shows me the summary of the article, as well as the full text of the article, and additional tools that I can use to save and cite my article. For example, you can save your report to Google Drive, you can print it. There's also an option to email it to yourself. Perhaps you would like to save it to a thumb drive. And you could also click the Cite button to get the APA citation. If I scroll down in this middle box, here's the APA citation for this particular report. A word of caution, however, be sure to check the citation generated by the database against your APA manual or another reputable source to ensure accuracy. The Nexus Uni database can also be used to research competitors in the industry. You can create competitor lists that contain specific information about local competitors. This can be completed by simply clicking on the menu button at the top of your screen and clicking on Company Dossier, and then creating a company list. This is one of the most widely used databases on campus, so be sure to give yourself time to learn the tools here. Information on how to use all of the features of Nexus Uni, as well as Business Source Complete, is included in your library worksheet. Additionally, recommended library resources can be found on the Business Management Research Guide. From the library homepage, click on Research Guides, and then select Business Management. Here you will find the databases we discussed today, as well as additional digital and print resources to help you with your market research. For more information or assistance, or if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact a reference librarian. You can chat with us during normal business hours. You can reach us via email at reflibrarian@lakelandcc.edu. You can also call us at 440-525-7425 or set up a one-on-one research assistance appointment. Happy searching and good luck with your market analysis.